Hello, this is a video for this sprint. This 2024 D1 WMS sprint 26 required field getting cleared on complete incorrectly, high priority. Essentially when a field instance is visible on the screen and not read only, and another field of that another instance of that field is visible in a kind of in a hidden section, etc. This developer estimate increase process. Then when you go to save it, what we wanted to do is to retain that data, not clear it. What it was doing before was, here I've got my example. I'll actually go to the designer first, condition saving, condition saving. So if we go to this process, go to the forms. So the first form is nothing really, we just want to get to task 1. You can see here we've got a section. We've got a boolean, which essentially controls the visibility of the section. So it's kind of similar to what we do in the developer increase process, estimate increase process, with that kind of the boolean that John would use. And then we've got a identical instance of this field up here. They both have the same conditional, so essentially if initial reason or another one, in this case this one or this one, is no, then show the field. So you've got both identical instances of the same field on the form. One's just going to be hidden by a section, because another one, you cannot actually get to this field in this process because there's no kind of loop back to this task at any point for this to be set to no. But yeah, that's essentially that. So to kind of show it in action, because this is ultimately a runtime bug. If I go to the catalog and I go to condition saving, so if we get past this one, because this one does nothing, and then eventually we'll start the process. It's a bit slow for some reason, but I guess maybe some deployment going on at the moment. If we go to the task, you can see once we first know, like before this reason appears, we can't see these hidden fields down here, obviously. There's that boolean on the section that says it's invisible. If I go and put some data into here, if I save it, it doesn't come back and say this is going to be emptied out. If I actually go and change this to a yes, it does say that, which is what we want. So now if I press no, let's go and complete this so we can see the complete as well. Should be exactly the same validation, but for the sake of this, when we complete, it completes the task, we can see the field. So that's it. There's quite a few more integration tests around this as well, which is good, because we don't want this to break again. So if I can find the story, yeah, so that's kind of it really. If there's any questions, drop me a message, but yeah, thanks for having a look at it.